And then, ang problema lang sa mga Filipinos is the lack of understanding. So, that's good that you can have co-op, no? If you have something na kay business.
For me, personally, it's better to have kanang life insurance.
Life insurance first.
It's really better to have both.
Yes, correct.
Welcome to Terra Talk Podcast, and this is our episode 22. Topic for today is what's the difference between cooperative and life insurance, right? Because nagam ko nang utana na ba, no? Asa mo kung smayo, rin lang kung co-op or should I go with life insurance? Okay. Co-op, it's a cooperative. That's why mainly focus siya diri sa business performance, no? But life insurance man good. Kung daw siya kanang tagang siya good, di ba dagang scope pa na critical illness, mga riders, nga na. So mo na mong i-discuss karon on this episode.
Yes.
Alright, so we'll be giving some questions to Coach Sean. By the way, I'm your host, Coach Jarek, together with my co-host, Coach Sean, and we'll be starting. First question that we have is, what is the fundamental difference between cooperative and life insurance company in the Philippines?
Okay, good. Before I answer that question, mga Filipinos manggod, majority ato gid sa co-op mataw because kanang ang co-op dali ra maduolan. Na bitaw ang notion ba, like ako, I remember ko nga nag-general assembly sa usa ka co-op si mama. Kuyog ko ngadto sa Abiliana gito. Then, ato nakita ko daghan nga tao. And then, normally, again, majority sa population sa Filipinos naa sa ubos-ubos. Yeah. Ang co-op is, they can definitely accept you sa imuhang status as long as you have the money for the shared capital na imong pwede ma-invest.
Just like they mentioned ka na naman yung micro, no? Businesses ba? So, kumbaga sila sa nano. No, sa ubos dyan, no?
Ubos, na level sa lifestyle.
Yeah.
So, yung question is, what is the fundamental difference between cooperative versus life insurance? Or di na ito versus kay same maganda sa usage, no? So, cooperative is basically, it's a combination of, it's cooperation, no?
Cooperation,
of members, no? Of people na sila common goal. And then, ang nagdala sa daan nga co-op is kato sa mga members nila.
Yes.
Mag-elect sila o kinsay pwede mahimon lang board member that can grow their cooperative business. Kaya nahimo ang cooperative because naiuban na mga na sila ganahan i-negosyo or i-goal or dream. Kung individually, di sila ka-achieve. Nahimo ang cooperative, it's because of same goal sila, no? At the same time, sila makakontrol. They have the authority, no? Sila mga members. So, democracy within the members. And sa life insurance, it is consist with, it's a corporation. No, corporation meaning dagko nga mga companies, no? At the same time na yung mga shareholders. So, mo na pag-difference ako. And then, in terms sa mga iyahang, let's say, mag-decide inana, so it should be the shareholder or the owners of that said life insurance company.
Alright, so at least no kanang sani katong mga natin mga questions kasi maliwanagan sila ba
kung saan co-op or assign nindot co-op ba or life insurance.
To say they're both okay, no, but they are nagud sila kalahian lang jud, no?
Regulations and type of structure sa ilahang let's say ilang management
and then there are types of cooperatives nito, no? But daghan siya. But most jud nga there is, especially there is Cebu kasi mga multi-purpose cooperative. Daghan kitag makita dito katong gi-mention nimo sa may sa Magdako, napod ko nakita dito sa may Carbon. So daghan.
Nasa co-op sa mga tindera sa Mercados, Mandawi, I forgot the name, but kung naa sila common goal, like mga tindera sila, so they create a co-op para, it's a multi-purpose co-op. Pwede sila magbaligya ng mga barato na mga baligyaonon, no? May consumer cooperative,
Yes.
producers cooperative, and also kanang mga magsasaka, agriculture. Then mostly, credit, no? Oo. Credit nga kung the race map sa daghan jud kay na pwede ka maka-loan ba, which can help you with your business. Oo.
So, ang root word niya no kay cooperate.
Cooperate yun. Kailangan na cooperation sa tanan. Kaya kung may abo jud.
Yeah.